it's me, Karina, and this is the Charlotte Restore DIY. Today, we're coming to you from the flooring department of the Charlotte Restore, and we're gonna show you how easy it is to install a new floor in your home. So today, I wanna talk to you about some of the different flooring options that we have here at the Charlotte Restore. One option is porcelain tile. Porcelain tile is unique in that it has color that goes all the way through the tile versus ceramic tile, and it has more kaolin, making it chip and crack resistant. This is a wonderful product for your home. You can use it in backsplashes, flooring, anywhere that you would apply tile. The next product I'd like to talk to you about is laminate flooring. We offer many sizes and colors. Ours is 10 millimeters thick total, and it's an easy snap and click installation. No glue required. This product is water resistant, meaning you can install it in a kitchen or a bathroom and it'll work great. At just under $2 a square foot, it's a great value, and you can find it at all of the Charlotte Restores. The products we're going to work with today is luxury vinyl plank flooring. It's waterproof, it's durable, and it's easy to install with a simple click and snap. Before we begin installing our floor, let's go over the supplies you'll need. A mallet, a contractor square, scissors, a measuring tape, a box cutter, an ink pen, gloves, knee pads, and of course the vinyl flooring. And this is the room where we're going to install our vinyl plank flooring. Some things to consider before you get started. Make sure your floor is clean and free of dust and debris. Also, you may consider buying an extra box of flooring in case you make mistakes. To avoid duplications in your layout, separate your vinyl planks according to pattern. In order to determine how much flooring you'll need, measure your space. Grab your measuring tape and get the length and width of your room. The measurement of our room came to 106 square feet. You'll need to cut your planks based on the size and shape of your room. To trim your boards, measure first, score with your box cutter, and then snap. To give your floor a more natural look, stagger your planks so the seams don't line up. So all that's left to do now is click and snap your board into place. Have a stubborn board that won't snap into place? Using a mallet and a scrap piece of flooring, gently hammer that board into place. And here's your final product. Remember, you can get flooring like this at any Charlotte Restore. Follow us on social media and show us your projects. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos. See you soon. Bye.